Hey guys, this is Dr. Kyle Daigle with NeuroSolutions Center of Lake Charles, Louisiana. Elite athletes and executives travel from us from all over the world that are recovering from traumatic brain injuries and to help improve focus and concentration. We use cutting edge technologies to get outstanding results. NanoV has been a key game changer within our practice, helping our patients recover from concussions, mental clarity, reduction in brain fog, improvements in quality of sleep, accelerated performance throughout the day, and increasing their recovery. What's been very unique is that a lot of our intensive patients are actually requesting to purchase NanoV whenever they leave our practice because of the outcomes that they saw. And yeah, I've just seen great results with, these patients with their recovery time and I have a lot of diagnostics, so I can see what's working, what's not, QEEGs. I'm doing vision assessments, laboratory analysis. And yeah, I've just seen, my outcomes are definitely improving since having NanoV in my practice.
Hey, my name is Heather Hineker. I'm the CEO of Ascent Adaptation and Regeneration Center in Newport Beach, California. And I was asked by Ing3 to be here and just share my experience with the technology. We have 13 modalities, and the NanoV actually plays a huge role in cellular age reversal at my center. We actually have 2 devices on carts, and we take them to all different rooms. It's one of my favorite technologies to stack with other modalities. So clients, time is money, right? And everyone wants to get the best treatment for the least amount of time. And so we're actually able to use the NanoV to work on that cellular level with other modalities, and the combination of everything really increases the efficacy. So I'm just super grateful to be here. I love the NanoV. I use it myself every single day. I've seen my biological age decrease over the years by about 15 years. So really thankful that it exists and just super happy to be a part of the community.
Hey guys, Josh Mason here from the Detox Dudes. I am insanely impressed with the NanoV. This is the NanoV EXO, and I've been using it every day for 2 weeks. The second I wake up, my body immediately craves it. My body, my mind, my spirit gravitates towards it. If I ever don't want to meditate, I use this machine to force me to meditate, because I put it on and I'm just sitting here, and so I end up meditating every morning. So there's a double win there. But I feel a sense of peace, of clarity, of regeneration in my brain. It's done something for me that I don't think I've ever found any other machine do. Other machines tend to detoxify my body, or if I'm really stressed, I don't feel like using a lot of machines because they throw me a little further off balance. This machine, it's a miracle. I don't even understand the true science of it. I'm just learning about it in its full. But this machine is definitely doing something on a repair level, on a DNA level. It is harmonizing. It's not a deep detoxification process, or it's not throwing me off balance. I can use this machine anytime, at night before bed, in the morning when I wake up, while I'm working. There honestly doesn't seem to be a bad time to use it. So any true biohacker, anyone who's really on a journey of healing, of awakening, of cellular repair, the NanoV is mission critical. The first time I ever used it was about 5 years ago. I used it for 15 minutes and I felt almost like I was on drugs in a very subtle way. And I was asking the doctor, what is that thing? And I talked about it. And now 5 years later, I got one of my own, and it's the same experience, a subtle increase of lucidity, peace, calm, and just this feeling of regeneration. It's hard to describe, but anyone who's really in tune with their body and the subtleties are going to absolutely love and value what this machine does. So again, highly recommend the NanoV. I'm definitely impressed, and I'm still learning the science because it's a miracle. So, okay, talk to you soon, guys. Ciao.
My name's Rowena Gates, and I'm a partner at Ing3 Corporation with Hans Eng. The NanoV device works by influencing cellular water, and we do this in order to support protein activity. And in the body, it's the proteins that do all the work and all the repair of damage.
NanoV is great for performance recovery because it is designed to repair and to regenerate damages, faster regeneration, faster recovery, faster bouncing back and being back in game.
So I started using the NanoV at Athletic Training Institute after a bone chip removal as well as a microfracture surgery that I had. The machine was in there. I started using it as part of my recovery protocol, and I recovered from that in half the time. I actually have been very fortunate in the sense that I've never been on the disabled list and haven't missed any time due to injuries. And I'm very grateful for that. It has to do with my recovery, the way I recover and the way I train. And part of the way I recover is the NanoV machine. And it is a huge reason why I've been able to be on the field day in and day out and compete. For those athletes out there that want to take their game to the next level, it's great for recovery, it's great for rehabbing, and it's great for just feeling good day in and day out without the general fatigue that comes with a season and performing every single day.
It optimizes performance, both mental and physical. It improves wellness and the overall sense of health and vitality.
My name is Janine Hill. I race for J2 Racing in an AMG Mercedes, an SP9 class of VLN series in Germany. The NanoV helps us to stay on track, sharp mind, sharp body.
It's simply a physiological fact that the harder you work, the harder you train, the more stress you put yourself under, which is a result of that, the more potential damage that's created. And you simply must have a mechanism to protect yourself from that and to drive regeneration and repair. And the NanoV absolutely does that.
So I found out about the NanoV from a couple teammates, Matthew Boyd and Nicholas Castellanos. I know Boyd's been using it for a few years now, and he's pretty religious with it, tells everybody about it. He basically forced me to come to his hotel room one night and use it, and I used it, and I slept like a baby, and I woke up the next morning feeling like $1 million. I love this thing. It's the only thing in the world I bring with me everywhere I go. Well, besides my toothbrush.